Hello everyone. So this is the second lecture of general anatomy where we are covering appendicular skeleton. So in the first lecture we have covered axial skeleton. So now appendicular skeleton is basically divided into two, that is pectoral girdle and upper limb bones, pelvic girdle and lower limb bones. In axial skeleton we have studied all our features of skull, vertebral column and thoracic cage. So appendicular skeleton is basically present on the lateral side of the body. In the first lecture I have told you about the medial and lateral side. So appendicular skeleton has pectoral girdle and upper limb bones. So the pectoral girdle consists of two bones, that is scapula and clavicle. I will show the image right here. Clavicle. Clavicle is also known as the collar bone and it is the only horizontal long bone. We will study detailed clavicle in next another topic. So I'm not covering the details now. Scapula is also known as shoulder blade, and upper limb bones, which is humerus, radius, ulna, carpus, metacarpus and phalanges. Upper limb bones is basically this bones. Humerus we have here in this. I will show the image also of bone here. It is the only single bone present here and it is bilaterally present. That is one on the left side, one on the right side. Humerus and radius. It is present on the forehand of yours. Radius and ulna both are present. Carpals, metacarpals and phalanges. Carpals are present on your hand bones. I will show the image. And carpals, it is 8 in number in our hand and it is proximal 4 and distal 4. So proximal and distal here means proximal, which is closer to your body, to the medial side of your body, and distal means which is away from your body. So carpals, there are 8 carpals in your hand, 4 proximal and 4 distal. And 5 metacarpals, that is here. We always start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 metacarpals are present in each finger of your hand and including thumb. And phalanges, there are 14 phalanges in our hands, which includes, there is a thing called phalangeal formula, which is 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. 2 is for thumb, that is there are 2 phalanges in our thumb and 3 phalanges. Phalanges are divided into distal, middle and proximal. So proximal, which is closer to our body, and distal, which is away from our body, and the middle one. So in thumbs we have only 2 phalanges, that is distal and proximal. And in other fingers we have 3 phalanges, that is distal, middle and proximal. So here we complete our pectoral girdle and upper limb bones. Also, appendicular skeletal system consists of pelvic girdle, lower limb bones. Pelvic girdle consists of hip bone. I'll include the image here. Hip bone consists of ilium, ischium and pubis. We will discuss it later when we will study separate bones. Lower limb bones consist of femur. Femur is the longest and strongest bone present on our thigh region, and tibia and fibula. Tibia is present in the medial side of our leg and fibula is present on the lateral side of our leg. Tarsus, it has 7 bones in it. We do not usually study it in detail. Metatarsal, as same as in our fingers, it is 5 in number. The only difference is we had carpals in our hand and which is 8 in number, and in leg we have tarsals which is 7 in number. Metatarsal 5, phalanges 40. Same there as in upper limb we had a phalangeal formula 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Here the only difference will be 2, which is not our thumb, it is grade 2. So it is calculated in the same way as we have studied in the upper limb part. Here we complete our appendicular skeletal system of general anatomy. Thank you. So here we have completed our appendicular skeleton video. And now here is the revision. Pectoral girdle, pelvic girdle, upper limb bones and lower limb bones. They all constitute our appendicular skeleton. Now pectoral girdle consists of scapula, clavicle, and pelvic girdle consists of hip bone. Hip bone is further divided into ilium, ischium and pubis. Upper limb bones consist of humerus, radius, ulna, carpals 8, metacarpals 5, phalanges 40. We have also discussed the phalangeal formula, that is on thumb and grade 2 we have 2 and on the other fingers we have 3. Lower limb bones, femur, tibia, fibula, tarsals, metatarsals and phalanges. Tarsal 7, metatarsals 5, phalanges 40. Here we complete our appendicular skeleton video. Thank you so much.